message mangana mayekero charagire chinsa 10 chia bono margobe corona kwareneria mange nato asangiriri kururia kete kaboni no kubori kwana no karanso ige keronse meredibuna nigo nayo gendete ko babuya imeyandi Steve Nero bwansumo Gusii anene kera bande barure kanisa abande bandete kwirobeli ko enda sidit ko le mambigone libali abana ukwariania asemese yetu mangana mayeye chinsa 10 elinde ngwerere hadito gusangiriri kururia kete ko kaboni ganyona nabokwenda kubwate mangana ya sense meli ye mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital oiga sense mo ya YouTube nabo tonyora Ndizi TV News yokonya chingaki nabo to tweet @Ndizi TV News boge karenga likia ngo tukere kireda ga kirenza wetira se namba era se skini egoro na mange to akoreneri yoge kaba murento komore yogonkonya sense meli umurwe manyererio nigakorokwa Joshua Uta neriane Brighton Makoli. Omugabana bwe county ya Kisii Simba Aratini gogenderete kokora emirobelia ya buye gose emirobelia osegasi ya anene kerolit kulia lero anyorana nabo bisabali ba okore mirimo asense meli yo gusangiriri ebango goseri mayekete na revenue department ase agendera kolingoli na kuririo bokoreri ase department yugo sasense meyo nigo agenderete ko basegeti kya Gusii stadium ekerabo bisa pense meyo banyara bagoika ase anyaraga kuri irabuna nigago chikogendera gokore mirimo yaye na kwena kibuna ubochabo bonde bwensi bori borase county ya Kisii nkoborusi ale ororo anigagoja magega yo gutogekana buna abo bisambale be serikali ya county ya Kisii bari getwe korende bakori kibese abatari kigurubu goseji chob gurubu jitakeire erindo montama yakonyora engeri ya umulikito no ara sense meyo ya Kisii stadium na tutubwateringane yo aneni gora konyora senjera yobugare gekoraga ense ya mo yabona maroba korende teturaso asamangana amaya yechinse kumyekerobono gati yabamenye kurwase county ya Kisii nigobono bamomojiri oyo kabero mugabana bwe county ya Kisii James Omaribongwaye ekeranya letega kosoa asomo bwa Kenya kwanza abulitkoregoro ongwaye ni gara etabara ibande kwenda wikasensemo ya Karen ekerbanyornete na Dr. William Ruto kurende abagusini go asema yabagusini go mojiri getambukire kyaseba poliri mugabana bwe county ya Kisii boni gasimba arati gotatu aratanguta nguchinde chonzi ekera baswete kurinde bamubori yakore mirimo yaye no bwikirano
amuji Kenya kwanza tugotoga ogeti yakogera county yaito gesarigete igari gotigaba gwaterana no mu county omo kwendo ito umugabana ito simbarati erinde turaruboro buchabo goito orega torose buga tigere tu brako wana kera utamuji Kenya kwanza igago tamagara go simbarati takoregas simbarati oturamo nae koregas umaka umatekere monta atabire igona meta mabosa sakorete igago bange nitobia ebigo koe amaye tama bona igobone na to gosete ase Kisii county ya ama mrako nerna ko tama gosa kangona tigeta mangana kumunya go Kenya kwanza araraga na kwanza arabo magana ko igona wato mukurumi ngakia go separate walbaji eto waso Ruto kusaba mabera ababo nguo yabo yasikiba weto niga para ko teto ngiye mono usema kiombuga aria mwaka more ntakora ibija sana kwanza ongwa kogenda kwa gotama kwa yo chikanda Kenya kwanza tago tokona gene kogara kurumayo na beri ro ntoro chigenta tokonyire igobono atamire era tigabere kwa Kenya kwanza bunarote ibine birangara libya bya monde tago chiororo ikinga gotokona omugambi Simba enetaya tokona nale moreka kabisa ligara tokonye asa yewa korira matuka yewa sa tororo bongesi sana
Egerto tigaretane na singane yu abarai baru ete asorogoro Gusii kwenda komora Dr. Morayo Mochole bwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto nigobone turedi yabaga kamana bangina kurwase county ya Kisii anene Gusii kanza welders abarabanyarire bakwegerera kero bakorago no munyakiro babo alaka matundura kero batebete na ingikerete bagakoresa bali yabo oji Karen elikomoro Morayo Mochole bwensi ya Kenya
tukanyore na bas igoro tuachiete tukaumerana na no ne president yinya ngikobe ku obisidi tukolia chumaine na esabaye nene kabisa yogo chio go yarenge tomate bimbi yamono asoko choruku iliya kabere tukamobolia ntuganie aumerane na Bagusii bamote bono mangana abo kiara ntwa bwatengana rinde twara komenta goetani goteba mbiya mono
ekero bono ensi ya Kenya endete kwirigani gochi ase serikali enyi anene kero murayo mochore bwensi ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto awojigotianiwa rituko ria Jumaine nigo abakenya ao bagenderete kogokera obubui bwaye Dr. William Ruto kobo murayo gatano bwensi ya Kenya kurengana na Pastor Peter Murwabe wekanisa ya Gospel Jabel Embassy nigo bona tebiruna obubui wa Dr. William Ruto nigo boro obubui bwa Nyasaye.
Omuske William Ruto personally ntebe kurwa sensema yane na manyete kur 2013 nganko bare president ekero orwa kol na ende na maitenga kene yonse na keba kera konyo monene otokwanil na goto na onkwanil na kongorokia nga William Samoei Ruto will be a president in Kenya buna bona ngorokia mangana a 2032 revival nenga kekera abantu bando gotoreka asobonge na gotore ko kongo bwatire ngamuraiki orasekero bono china baraibane barotanga ngo shekatore jikanza chinge nyasaye gatagete jikanza chinge chaka sobonge abande bateba abastaba babwati future baroche kibaroche gotu atagete omuntu anjete Yesu na endo itabete nyasaye na endo understandi ekie kanisa ekerenga kanisa asenga kibune no itari muntu ndoro chikoba otatiga William Ruto ntali Rachel Ruto wose Dorcas Gashawa wose William Ruto ora tokonye to sasime byara kinolyo kolende constitution edia gotebanga abantu batwaro bosubore bwo sasima lakini ntebega asingencha babere umusubati Rachel Ruto na Dorcas Gashawa banche Nyasaye na ndibara abantu bogo saba neto bero bo raisi ntubuna baraibe kanisa ko wakine serikali asoko enishwanga alinya sata gete aikerani
abara ina babwatani be kiama kiapa pat zipa moja alliance kurwase county ya Kilifi ngabona banyarire bagotogi obomo bwa Kenya kwanza anene omurayo mochole bwenze ya Kenya Dr. William Ruto anekera batebiruna ngigekeranitio kubwatana banyarire bakubwatana ni kiama ekyuyapa anekero monogeri bwebunge ye senate anyarire kagojorwa erio akaira libagerio oyu ole Amazon King oyu olenge omurayo bwe kiama gyapa.
We also take this opportunity to praise the President-elect for remaining true to his word in honoring the Memorandum of Understanding between the PAR Party and the Kenya Kwanza Coalition. The spirit faithfulness to political agreements as demonstrated by this act will go a long way towards restoring the dignity of politics in our country.
Mkataba ambao tumesaini ambao ulikuwa uko open kila mtu alisoma masala ya port tulizungumza kwamba zile services majukumu yarudi hapa sio na masala mazima ya appointments za pale pia tuangalie kuna vijana kuna watu wasomi katika pwani hii ambao wana ujuzi na tajiriba kubwa sana ya kuendeza kazi zile kama wakurugenzi wakuu na kama directors katika hata wenyekiti. Kwa hivyo hili ni swala ambalo pia tunatarajia.
Habara ya wano ni gobarabe kiama gyapa gosepa moja African Alliance abanyarite bagotogi yandene kerobo mo bwa Kenya kwanza banyarite boikerani okubwatana okubanyarite bakubwatana kerodo uskabosyo ni bono mo wasiri bwegisemi Professor George Magoha anyarite kawatabuna obwaga chibwe birasi bya CPC na junior secondary ni gobono bigojigoikerana magega ya serikali etaraswa obisi ya gatano yense ya Kenya kawkwana keraringase county ya Bungoma ekerali kuririo bwagachi bwebirasi ebyo nigatebirune birasi ebichiri bukomi asense ya Kenya nigoborachi goikiranu eriko bekemiroberi yokugenderi muroberi CPC.
We were at the transition of the financial year and we are also having a transition to a new government which by the grace of God will take place from Tuesday. By the time we are transiting to the new government, I hope that all the classrooms, the 10,000 of them, will have been completed, and those that have not been paid should be in my handing over note so that the incoming CS ensure that once the exchequer is open, we should pay the contractors very quickly without any further delay, because these classrooms have been constructed at a reasonably good price of 708,200. Otherwise, all is well, and I think There's not much else to say.
Ekirobona bagavana ao bagendete gukora imirimo yabo iri kwene kibonekero banyara bagutiani gubaikirana iciro kiri barirete aba Kenya gusasensema bakurwa umugavana we county ya Siaya James Orengo ni gobana tebiruna obokorari bobo chenwa se county yoniga aboiro mostali mutangani asatebiruna gocyale kwene kibuna Mariogo atokira sinyagitali eri abamenyi benseme yo mbago cyandika konyora Mariogo yikurwa sinyagitali.
Want to assure people in Siaya that the whole of morning and the part of yesterday we were dealing with how to secure drugs, how to make sure that our supplies of drugs to all our health facilities in the county can be improved and shortages stopped. Part of it has to do with the budget cycle, part of it with the bureaucracy between us and KEMSA, but I think we're on top of it, and in a week or 2 weeks' time, I think people are going to see a difference in all our health facilities, in the supplies of drugs and other commodities which are required in our facilities. We have made an extensive tour of the hospital, and I think out of the facilities, equipment and other facilities that we have in the hospital, I think they are doing a good job.
Boigo mugavana bwe county ya Homa Bay Gladys Wanga nereni gateruna niga ujukwena kuna ngukini ale birengo byo bachenwa sensemeyo ayuniga goja magega ye serikali yaye konyora amariogo kurwa se kyombekerie kwena na amariogo gya KEMSA asebona atebiruna egasiye ya chakiro kora se county ya Homa Bay tari siasa osegu yakira egekuba.
Be based here until we are sure that our people are receiving the services that they deserve to receive. So this is not for today only, and this is not for publicity, and this is not for politics. It's behind us. This is to tell the people of Homa Bay that we are serious about their health.
King Charles nerebono muruoti kubwatikana onogosira kwa Queen Elizabeth II ase ensameli ya England kaukwana anenekero anyaraga kubekerwe gutonere litko ulialero bunanere obeire umuruoti bwensemeyo ni gateruna gosira kwa mamo mwabo ni gogwachete buna umujano tali asense enseyo kolende ase ensengima kani gateberumna ni gobagendere kolera ase ogosira kwa mamo mwabo nera asalire irabuna ni garage ko umuruoti umuya ase ensemeyo aba amanyanyimbo osama joni benseyo ababunge benseyo amo nababotani bande nigo bara omoyego yose mbaikirana asomoyega oyo King Charles alikobekerwe gutwa koba omoruoti wense eyo.
It is my most sorrowful duty to announce to you the death of my beloved mother, the Queen. I know how deeply you, the entire nation, and I think I may say the whole world, sympathize with me in the irreparable loss we've all suffered. It is the greatest consolation to me to know of the sympathy expressed by so many to my sister and brothers, and that such overwhelming affection and support should be extended to our whole family in our loss. To all of us as a family, as to this kingdom and the wider family of nations of which it is a part, my mother gave an example of lifelong love and of selfless service.
Ayo nararenga yejinsa 10 asinjira yoko yajuta kurende hamange ni gonyora gekora gense yemo yabona marogoba ono kuboli kwana genda kulira Ndizi binero wansu boma Gusii asika gerebosyo ni gonyora na captain 001 asumoro rwechiko sona bagosoria iri akumanyi na rali ali agenda gukora kana CVT ao imena isko ya Gusii gotoska ine Ndizi TV obwansu mu gusinyana nabakona gutubwate sense mail ye mitandao Facebook tonyora Ndizi TV News Digital boiga sense mail ya YouTube nabakotonyora Ndizi TV News yokonya chingaki nabagoto tweet @Ndizi TV News boiga nabagoto mekengeria gwetera se number irase skin yao ngo sabiro gende kuriria Ndizi TV nero bwansu bo mu Gusii boyorenga sense mail mu lwe manyero nigakorwa Joshua uta nayorenga sense mail ndiye studio nigakorwa Musa James twarubulirubya imeya Ndizi TV nero bwansu bo mu Gusii.
Ndizi TV obwansu bwo mu Gusii. Omurigereria bwa television ya Ndizi TV